Welcome to day number 18, farmers, and we'll be looking at sick birds show signs before they die. Here's a thought. Broilers rarely die suddenly or for no reason at all. Most birds show warning signs hours or days before their death. Now the problem is we as farmers, we notice only when the bird has already died. By day 18, birds are heavier and the stress affects their bodies faster, so signs matter more than ever. Let's look at a quick points on why birds show signs before they die. Birds hide weaknesses until they can't. In nature, weak animals get attacked, so chickens instinctively try to look normal. What that means is they stay quiet, they isolate, they reduce movement. By the time they look sick, it's already too late. So pay attention to those. Number 2. Secondly, the first warning sign is usually behavior. So pay attention to birds that are sitting alone, birds that are not rushing for feed, birds that are sleeping too much, birds that look slow compared to others. These are telltale signs that the bird is in danger. Number 3, droppings tell you a lot. Many farmers ignore droppings, but they show early gut problems. Warning signs are watery droppings, very green droppings, very foamy droppings, or blood in the droppings. Then this is a serious issue. Even if only a few birds show it, pay attention to that. That could affect the entire flock. Number 4, their breathing changes, comes before they collapse. Birds with breathing stress can show slight open mouth breathing, faster breathing, stretching their necks to breathe, or clicking sounds while breathing. If you wait for full panting, then it's too late. Pay attention to how your birds behave. Number 5, small problems spread fast in broilers. Broilers share the air, they share the water, they share the space. So one small issue can become a problem to the entire flock very quick. That's why early detection saves us money. Why does this cost you money in the long run? When you miss early signs, more birds die, medicine costs increase, growth slows in the entire flock, and your final weight eventually drops. Now, birds that may survive could be stunted, could show uneven growth, or even be of low value meat. And this is a concern for us as farmers because one thing we don't want is a reduction in profits. So what do we do on day number 18? Walk through the flock slowly, don't rush, look for birds sitting alone, check their droppings in different areas, remove weak birds early if needs be, and fix comfort issues such as heat, air, wet litter. In summary, here's a thought. Birds don't die first, they warn you first. So pay attention to the warning signs. I've created a Broiler Gems booklet that guides you into starting with a small investment and gaining big profits. Baby chicks to adult broilers. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you on day number 19.